Hey my divas, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Beautiful videos, compilation, braids, beautiful braids compilation. Like not your regular braids compilation channel. No, I have special ones. Artistic braids, cornrow, like just what you're seeing right now. This cornrow, it's so beautiful. Like I've never seen this type of cornrow, and it's always this more looking like the in West Africa they call it DD kind of. But yeah, that's cool. And this is another braid style. You can see how she's tucking in the braids. So you could do this, like for instance, when you braid your hair, you've wear it for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you got tired of the style. You could like revamp it this way to make it look different. You could do it yourself. You don't need a stylist to do this for you. You could see how she's trying to like wrap it. She first of all knot it, then before she does the wrapping, you can see the style look different from the way it was initially. Yeah, this is another style. I think more like the bad hairstyle. I think I've had this clip before, and I decided to add it now to like give you more of it. And if you want to watch more of this video of the bad hair girl style, you could check my playlist. I got a video that have only like the styles, different styles all wrapped up in the video. You could check it and get inspired for your next hair up do. Yes guys, okay, at this moment I just don't want to talk too much, so let me let you all watch this video till the end. The video is not ending now, just keep watching.